Kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. This is what students at Riverside Elementary stood up for during the school's 4th annual Unity Day Parade. Covered in the warm and inviting color orange, the Riverside Bears made their way around the school unified against bullying. In the days leading up to the parade, every classroom was busy designing and creating their banners and noisemakers. On the day of the parade, students were joined by Menchville's Drumline and several Newport News police officers who were excited to support the students' positive efforts. For the first time ever, a few inaugural members of Riverside's Drumming Up Kindness student drumline joined the seasoned high school musicians. The annual Unity Day was a powerful display of kindness in action, which the Riverside Bears hope to share every day.